6 of the lockdown in India, and the number of fresh coronavirus cases have been recorded at 3,390, and the number of fresh deaths in the last 24 hours is 103. This takes the total to 56,342 cases and 1,886 deaths. Maharashtra still leads the number of coronavirus cases in the country. Although the state is striving to control the outbreak, so far it's not being very successful at it. And the police, especially who are on the ground, have been working round the clock. They're extremely exhausted. So yesterday in a live webcast, the Chief Minister, Uddhav Thackeray, has said that they may be seeking additional reinforcements from the center. So central troops might come into the state in order to enforce the law, because the police personnel have been extremely exhausted tackling the situation in the state. They have been working round the clock. They need some respite. So to give them that period of rest, there will be reinforcements probably that the state seeks from the center. In news from Tamil Nadu now, the Madras High Court has ordered the state to start home delivery and online purchase of liquor. This after social distancing norms were completely flouted in many of the TASMAC outlets in the state. Also, there was a public outrage against the sale of liquor. Anyway, now the Madras High Court has ordered that these TASMAC outlets be closed and home delivery be started in the state in order to enforce social distancing. Yesterday, even the Supreme Court had suggested that states consider the home delivery scheme over opening actual physical outlets where people are overcrowding and really squeezing into shops to purchase their alcohol. Now, the remaining board exams for classes 10th and 12th will be held between July 1st and July 15th. This has been announced by the Human Resources Development Minister, Ramesh Pokhriyal. So, the remaining subjects of class 12th, especially that are required subjects in order to get into colleges, these are 29 subjects that are important for college admissions. These will be held again between July 1st and 15th. Some of these subjects are business studies, geography, Hindi, core Hindi elective, home science, sociology, computer science, old and new, information practice, old and new, information technology and biotechnology. Besides this, earlier the HRD minister had also announced dates for the JEE main and NEET exams. These competitive exams will be conducted between July 18th and 23rd. That is, JEE main will be conducted between July 18th and 23rd. NEET is scheduled to be conducted on July the 26th. Also, for schools, which has been said earlier, for schools there has been a 30% reduction in the syllabus, as well as for competitive exams in the coming academic year, there has been a 30% reduction in the syllabus. And in a rather telling way, the Health Ministry briefing yesterday, it was announced that we actually have to start considering of ways to live with the virus, because we cannot go on an extended period of lockdown. There is no certainty about how long this outbreak is going to remain. It's very likely that in the foreseeable future, perhaps for the rest of the year, this outbreak is going to remain at if not in the intensity it is happening at right now. The intensity may come down, but there will be sporadic outbreaks. There will be cases that come forward, if not every day, every few days perhaps, depending on how successful our the containment measures and social distancing measures are. So it is now going to be our future, very normalize this social distancing and such measures of hygiene, hand hygiene and respiratory hygiene. These are going to be a new normal in our lives. Of course, hygiene is a thing that we incorporate in our lives even when there is not a pandemic-like situation, but now we have to be even more conscious about our health and hygiene. We have to be very conscious about where we are putting our hands, what surfaces we are touching, and we have to be very careful that we don't touch our faces as well after touching potentially contaminated surfaces. Social distancing has to be the new norm. Perhaps working from home will also be much more common than it was before. So the Health Ministry briefing yesterday really put that out there, that the future in the future we would have to live with the virus, and we would have to prepare for such a future where social distancing becomes the new normal. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.